Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I will discuss about that comparison operator. Comparison operator is used for like as if you want to get some of the user a specific above 30 age data, then how can actually do that work? So then you will need that comparison operator. And they have the different type of comparison operator like as equal, not equal, greater than equal, less than and less than equal, in and then not in. Better I will show you that things with a live example. For doing this, like if you go to our database and into the database, that is the age as a 40, age as a 30, and then 35, 23, and then 60, and then 40, right? I only want to get that which user age as a above 30. I want to get this user data. So if you want to do that work, then you have to do like here right now, that is our is married find method, right? Count document, I simply remove it, and here there is a is married, I also want to do and to remove it. Okay, simply remove it. So I want to do and to get that our age data. Okay, so that will be the age, and then I want to get, first of all you have to add that as a $sign, and then our greater than, right? I want to get that our greater than, that means above that our 30. I want to get this above 30 user data. Okay, user age data. So I simply added that as a greater than, and then that is our age will be as a 30. So this user 30 data I want to do and to get it. So if you want to check it now, click as a save all, and now I want to do and to run it. Okay, I want to run it in here. That will be our node and then index. Now click as a enter. Now you can see it successfully get which user data is above 30. Right now there is the age 40, 35, 60, okay, and then also the 40. It's all successfully get all that our user data which user age is above 30. And if you now go to our database, into this database also you can see there is one of the user age as a 30. Here I have make it only the greater than. So for the reasons it's not actually equal to our 30, right? So if you want to get that as a equal 30, that means if this user age as a 30 or greater than 30, then that will be actually get this data. For doing this, there is also another our comparison operator as a greater than equal. Right now I want to run it. Then that will be as a greater than equal. Now that should be also get that our 30 user data. That means right now I want to run it again. I want to run it with the node and then index. Now click as enter. Now you can see there is a 40, which is totally fine, 60 and 35, 40, and then you can see also it successfully get that our 30 is user data. Okay, so that is a greater than and then greater than equal. I hope it's very much clear to you. So same as that will be for the less than, right? That is a less than and then less than equal. Less than equal means if you use that as a less than, that will be get that a specific less than all the 30 user data. Like I show you, I make it as a less than. So if you make it as a less than, okay, I make it as a less than right now, less than 30. So it will be get all the which user data is less than 30, it will be get this user data. Now if you click as a save all, so right now I want to run it again. I want to run it again with the node and then index. Now click as enter. Right now they have only one user data which is less than 30. Okay, and if you make it as a less than equal, then also it will be get that as a our 30 data. Also there is another one as a less than equal. Okay, so that is our another comparison operator. Now that should be get that also the 30 user data and then 23, right? Now if you click as a save all, and now I want to run it again as a node and index. Now click as a enter. Now that should be two user. You can see you successfully get that as a 30 user data and also our age as a 23. Great. I hope now it's very clear. There is a greater than and greater than equal, less than and less than equal. And also there is another one as equal and then not equal. Equal and not equal means it will be check a specific sum of the age. Like here I make it as a not equal 30. Okay, when this user is will be not equal 30, only just simply get this user data. So if you now make it as a save all, and now if you make it as again node index, now it should be get that our all data, only it should be not get equal 30 data, right? You can see it successfully get all the data, only the 30 age is not visible. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. And now there is also another comparison operator as a in and then not in. So with this in means if you want to get a specific sum of the salary, like if you want to get that as a 25,000, 30,000 and then 40,000. Okay, so here there is a 25,000. If you go, first of all, I want to check it, like as a salary as 80,000, and then there is our 1 lakh, and then 25,000, 40,000 and 45,000. So I want to get a specific sum of the salary data. You can actually get it by the in. Okay, in operator I show you. Then you have to do, I want to search by the salary. So that will be as a salary, and into this salary area here I want to use it as a, that will be as a in. I make it as a in, and then here we have to use one of the object. Simple, I take it which type of salary I want to get, that as a I want to get the like as a 25,000, 40,000 and 45,000. Okay, so I make it as a 25,000, and then I want to get that as a 40,000, and also I want to get that as a 45,000. Okay, so I simply get some of the specific salary data in here. Now if you click as a save all, and now I want to run it again. I want to run it with the node and then index. Now click as a enter. Now you can see it's now successfully get that which user a salary as a 25, it successfully get it, which user salary as a 40, it successfully get it, and also which user salary as a 25, it successfully get it. So that is the specific all that value I set it in our salary. So it should be find in our salary area, and here it should be get all that match data, and now that is successfully visible. Okay, so you can get it by our this in operator. And also there is another one as a not in. Not in means it should be actually remove all that our salary, and it should be get rest of this salary. Okay, so that is the simple all that operator. I hope friend every comparison operator is very much clear to you. So if you want to add some of the advanced query, some of the conditional query, you can actually do that work with using this comparison operator. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.